Hello guys, welcome back, and today we are magnet fishing at Meva harbour. Hope you enjoy. Oh, I've gone past it again.
My shoe is filled with water.
That's your fault for dipping your foot in the water?
Yeah, it's your fault.
But I like water in my shoes, it's actually relaxing.
You're a bit strange. I know. Nah, it just floated above it.
The coral body.
I'm gonna put the magnet back on.
Maybe the drop one.
Yeah, I was using that. Oh, I wasn't.
You were using the drag.
Oh, alright, same thing. Coming back down now, yeah?
You can put gloves on if you want. Look at that.
You're putting that in your bucket?
No. It's on the floor, back in.
Right, it's getting out as far as I can. Well, not as far as I can, because your bucket was on it. Whoops.
I've got a massive hole in it.
Yeah. I got
There's something over there, I just had something.
I've had like over 5 different things along
There's
down
something
there.
like metal down there.
Yeah.
It's like
There's a
going to be
shiny
loads
thing
of
there.
Meva gizzard.
There's more than one shiny thing in there.
I keep hit a rock.
What shiny thing? White thing?
Yeah, it's over there.
Oh yeah.
There's a boat.
It could be a shell.
Fine, there's a boat, a little boat.
Yeah. Get that all the time. Oh Jesus.
More
Christ.
dirt.
Yeah. It's just a lot of magnetic crap.
Yeah. Well, we pulled that thing up there.
It would go further.
If that was undone.
Yeah. I'll do that.
Oh. Do you want me to... Somewhat over there.
Yeah. Go on that side in a minute.
We'll just like, we can untangle it when we get there.
Yeah.
Okay, we pulled that as best as we could there, didn't we, that thing?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Yeah, let me get this one in.
I see my mum and I'm waving with
You see them, do you?
Yeah, they're over there.
Oh, they're up there, are they?
They might be able to see us.
Maybe.
Because my dad always wears jeans. And
I've got summit.
What's that?
I don't know. Do you want to put it up with the rest?
Do you want to put that up with the rest of the
Well,
stuff?
the other thing.
The other thing up there. Oh, actually, I'll put that in my bucket. I'll take that home. That thing in the bucket, Byron.
That was a bit IR.
It's in the bucket. I forgot we had the bucket.
Whatever you think we need.
very cold. What is it?
It's like a little loop. I'll put it in my bucket.
Yeah.
Oh, actually.
It looks like part of the boat.
That's quite cool.
Yeah, that's
We can do it off those rocks and go over there.
Get that.
I don't know where the hook is. Oh, it's over there. Drag it over this way a bit. I've done it too far. That's on the floor. I'm back on. Oh no! That is so heavy. Where's the hook?
It's down at the bottom now.
It's at the bottom.
But it's
I'm
stuck.
back on it. There's no
it's not
gaps
stuck.
in this, it's just solid.
I want to know what it is.
So do I. It's going to be a pain in the
Why
ass
do I
to get
feel
out.
like I've tried to pull this up before?
I don't think you haven't been in magnet fishing before.
No, I haven't. Wait, no, I have.
What, Meva?
Yeah, here. Because my friends, people with school, they do We do like fishing and
Yeah,
that
I
her,
missed
and
it.
they let me do magnet
I
fishing,
missed it.
and I tried it off her once.
It's massive, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, it looks
And
like you're
it's,
struggling.
heavy. You won't be able to lift it. If I hook onto it, do you want to try and pull it up?
Not really.
Just give it a go when I hook onto it.
Sure. Let me take my.
If I had my swimming stuff, I'd be dragging it up by now.
What going? Get scuba gear.
I don't need that, it's not that deep.
I want scuba gear.
Right, I'm back on it. Do you want to give it a go?
Yeah.
Lou?
I am
Hold
never
the phone.
swimming in the water that deep.
Yeah.
It's on auto.
Even if I'm
Yeah, I can see that. Come on, Moo. You can see it there, but I don't know what it. Oh, he's falling off. Take your phone back. I don't want to get it too wet. You see what I mean by it's heavy?
That's heavy.
Oh, I've got seaweed. Hang on. Have the seaweed.
I don't want seaweed
Why are you recording your legs?
because I'm drying my hands.
Oh. Now I'll wait for that to sink.
Why does it feel like that rock has moved?
It's not a rock, mate. Oh, I've missed it. I ain't putting the magnet on until I somewhat get this propped up against the wall.
I don't think my magnet will lift that.
No, it won't. I've moved it so much now.
It was all the way over there. Now it's down here.
It's so heavy. I'm back on. Right. No.
I need to move up some stairs.
Where's my fancy gone?
Up here. It's been moved for some reason.
Yeah, I moved it. I had to move it. Right under it. Right. Shall I try drag it that way?
You can try.
Nah, because I won't be able to.
Oh, what do you think that is?
I ain't got a clue, mate.
I think it might be like a bike thing.
Nowhere near a bike, if I'm being honest with you, mate.
I think it might be part of a boat, like boat flooring.
It keeps slipping and going back down. I don't think I'm getting that one today.
What? How do you think, if you ever did get it, what do you think you would be using?
I reckon it's a door.
It could be a door.
Oh my.
I reckon boat flooring.
There's a boat there.
Yeah.
Oh, I messed up. I've just got back on seaweed.
Why does that look like an up?
It does a little bit, mate.
That's the hook.
No, the seaweed.
Of the seaweed.
It looks like an octopus. Just
I
sinking.
missed it. I flicked it, and now I can't get it. I'm gonna drop it and drag it up. I didn't
Mind your
drop
way.
it. No, not at the moment. Drop it there. There. And I have some on over.
I don't have a cannon.
Then you can just retrieve it out.
It's not my puzzle. And now I've got to drag this way. Can you let me know? Oh Jesus Christ! The seal's back
Wow.
in the water there.
Oh yeah. Just be careful.
I'll try.
I've
got the tyre.
Ha. Hello, buddy. Don't hit it, please.
Get the seal.
It's going for it.
No, it's not. Yes, it is.
It's going for my
having a
rope.
look. It's having a look.
Leave my
It's not
rope
going
alone.
for it.
Leave my rope alone.
I've got it. I've got it. It's getting heavier and heavier each time.
Yep. It's over there.
Oh, we're gonna have to stop with this one. We ain't getting that. Yeah, we're not getting that. Where's the magnet?
The magnet's,
Shut up.
magnet's in the bucket.
Right.
Look
That
at
is
it.
so heavy.
And
Look
that
at
seal
it.
is
I
creepy
know.
now.
That is ugly.
Aye, don't be horrible.
Sorry.
Is that smile?
No,
but-
is it smiling?
Yeah, seal smile.
Oh, it's upside down now.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. I'm not
And he's
gonna-
gone.
I'm not gonna lie.
That's just it breathing, Shay. Can you send the videos to me? Oh, I'm going to.
I hope we get that.
What, the metal pole?
Yeah, the thing you first time. That we're struggling to get back.
Oh, if the seal comes, I'm done for.
Where is it?
I don't know what
The poles.
I know where the pole is.
Oh, the seal. I don't actually know where it went.
I think it went.
It just every now and then it pops back.
Yeah, I think sometimes it.
I've got something. Get ready to grab. I've got it.
And look at it. Only
Yes.
What is this?
Let's
Flop
flop it. Was it? Hang on. It's magnetic.
Look at it.
Look at
Floppy, though. It's hollow.
Look at that.
The stuff we find, put at the top.
That's actually good.
It's floppy.
Magnetic.
That's the pole.
There's no way that's a magnetic.
Just put it out the way of people.
There's no way that's a magnetic.
It is. You just watched me put the magnet on it.
We just pulled that out.
You can have a go in a minute if you want.
Yes, please.
Just let me drop on the try game video.
I think we try over that side next.
Yeah, in a minute. I see something.
What did you see?
It's white. Mine at the way. Are they attached? No. You can drag that one in there.
Your bat.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna be up here because whatever you find, you can just.
Alright.
So like
Are you?
there's something over there.
You having another go?
Yeah.
Oh, it might be.
And I have a fear of me just falling off now.
Don't go near the edge then. We can go somewhere else if you want in a minute. I just thought it'd be good over here.
There's definitely stuff over there.
Oh yeah.
There's a load of magnetic stuff on the floor.
Yeah, I know. I want. Oh Jesus! Aren't you going to try and see what that circle is, or have I covered it?
You covered it.
Oh, sorry, mate.
I want to go that way.
Caleb, have a go.
Yeah. Careful with the ledge. Get back. Away from the ledge. I have right.
Yeah. Just don't drag me off.
I think I will go through it.
Should I wait?
Watch out. No, it's fine. You're not going to throw that far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How far?
Very.
There it is.
Nothing.
Very high sugar.
Yes, you are, mate. You can pull that one in. Almost pulled me in with that.
I did feel something.
You felt something. Did it snag like a dum?
Yeah.
Sometimes there are
No.
fish. There's quite a lot of fish now.
Yeah, that's why people fish it. I'll help you with this one. No, nothing. I'm going to give it a long throw.
I did actually find a lure once.
Is that it?
Yeah. It's my own fault.
Ow.
What do you mean, ow?
My hair goes weird after taking it out. It hurts.
Yeah.
Do you know why it does that?
It's because you're wearing a hat.
I'm just gonna see over there. See if I can
Don't go too far, mate. Oh, got seaweed.
You get quite a bit more.
Nothing. Careful, dog walker.
Oh yeah.
I'm just gonna walk it.
Yeah, just walk.
You can leave stuff
And also I found a full-on fishing rod.
Right.
Seal.
Oh, is that the one that's like half blind?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we keep seeing it.
It was a bad idea. I thought it would work. Come up.
Hello.
Hang on. Is that working?
No,
Like,
you gotta stay downstairs. You definitely don't know what stairs are.
Where are they?
They're near the toilets.
I don't know where they are.
Just down there, Byron.
There's a fence right there. Don't do that. That's not.
Can you take a picture of that view?
Yeah, I will in a minute.
Got it.
Do you think it's part of a crutch?
I don't think it's magnetic. No, it looks like part of a mop.
It does a bit. You have a lot of seaweed. Might go a bit further along. Is it not? Wait, how have you moved it?
Where's that collar?
Oh yeah, that.
I ain't getting that. Bye. Thank you.
I don't think my magnet is strong enough.
Your magnet ain't getting that. Hang on, give me my hook.
Hook's in the bucket up there.
Go get it. I don't know where you put the bucket.
There?
Yeah, I can't. Don't chuck it.
The hook's in between a rock.
Where is it now?
The hook.
Yeah, where is it?
Just on the other side of the billar thing. Whatever
I
it
ain't
is.
getting that. I'll try get that. Yeah, I ain't getting that.
We need a stronger magnet,
Yeah.
which I don't have.
I can't even see anything now.
Do we go over there?
Nah, it's alright.
We could go over there.
In a minute.
I'm gonna go back up.